Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gadget of all time. Today I am going to make video on kitchen cleaning tools of this year. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1: Soap Dispensing Palm Brush Storage Set. OXO Good Grip Soap Dispensing Palm Brush Storage Set is a kitchen cleaning solution designed to simplify and enhance the dishwashing experience. This set is part of the OXO Good Grips line, known for its ergonomic designs and user-friendly features. The centerpiece of this set is the soap dispensing palm brush, which is equipped with durable nylon bristles for effective cleaning. The unique feature of this brush is the built-in soap dispenser that allows users to dispense soap with a simple push of a button, eliminating the need for a separate soap container. This not only streamlines the dishwashing process, but also ensures that the right amount of soap is dispensed for efficient cleaning. To complement the functionality of the brush, the set includes a storage stand that serves as a convenient home for the brush when not in use. The stand helps keep the kitchen organized by providing a designated space for the brush, preventing clutter around a sink area. The ergonomic design of the brush, combined with the comfortable non-struction, ensures a long lifespan, making it a reliable and practical addition to any Product 2: Product Name Gap Cleaning Brush Set. Gap Cleaning Brush Set, consisting of crevice cleaning tool, small cleaning brushes, and window groove cleaning brush 3PCS, is designed to provide efficient and thorough cleaning in hard-to-reach spaces. These brushes are specifically crafted to tackle gaps, crevices, and narrow areas that are typically challenging to clean with conventional tools. The crevice cleaning tool is tailored for precision, allowing users to reach into tight spaces between furniture, appliances, and other hard-to-access areas. Its design ensures effective removal of dust, debris, and other particles that accumulate in gaps. The small cleaning brushes included in the set cater to various surfaces and gaps. They are versatile tools that can be used for detailed cleaning, making them suitable for intricate spaces such as keyboard keys, vents, and other small openings. The window groove cleaning brush is specialized for cleaning window tracks and grooves. This brush is equipped with features to needs, making it a valuable addition to any cleaning toolkit. Whether you are dealing with household cleaning, automotive detailing, or office maintenance, the Gap Cleaning Brush Set offers a comprehensive solution. From Product 3: Product Name Leibane Electric Spin Scrubber. The Leibane Electric Spin Scrubber is a cutting-edge cleaning tool designed to make household cleaning tasks more efficient and convenient. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, I don't have specific details about the 2024 upgraded version of this product, so I'll provide a general overview based on its typical features. The electric spin scrubber comes equipped with a long handle, providing users with extended reach for hard-to-access areas. This feature is particularly useful for cleaning bathroom surfaces, floors, and other spaces that require thorough scrubbing. The scrubber utilizes a spinning motion, which helps to remove dirt, grime, and stains effectively. Any notable aspect of the Leibane electric spin scrubber is its versatility. The package typically includes 8 replaceable brush heads, each designed for different cleaning purposes. This range of brush heads allows users to tailor their cleaning approach to various surfaces and conditions, enhances user convenience. The remote control functionality allows users to operate the spin scrubber from a distance, providing an added level of ease during cleaning sessions. The product's application is emphasized for use in bathrooms, where it can effectively tackle soap scum, grout, and other common bathroom stains. However, its versatility makes it suitable for cleaning a variety Product 4: Product Name Baseboard Cleaner Tool with Handle. The Baseboard Cleaner Tool with Handle is a versatile and convenient cleaning tool designed to make the task of cleaning baseboards, walls, ceilings, floors, and various surfaces in the bathroom and kitchen more efficient. This cleaning tool features an extendable long handle, providing users with an extended reach to clean hard-to-reach areas without the need to bend or strain. Any of the key features of this baseboard cleaner is its extendable long handle, which allows users to reach high corners, ceilings, and other areas that are typically challenging to clean. The long handle eliminates the need for a step stool or ladder, enhancing user safety and convenience during the cleaning process. The tool comes equipped with 4 reusable cleaning pads, ensuring a sustainable and cost-effective solution for maintaining cleanliness. These pads are specifically designed for baseboards but are versatile enough to be used on walls, ceilings, floors, and even in the bathroom and kitchen. The reusable nature of the pads makes them an environment cleaner tool with handle, is user-friendly, and helps streamline the cleaning routine, providing an effective way to remove dirt, dust, and grime from various Product 5 Product name Dish Cleaning Brush. Dish cleaning brush is an essential kitchen tool designed to facilitate the effective and efficient cleaning of dishes, pots, pans, and sinks. This particular brush set, the soap dispensing dish brush set, offers a comprehensive solution for tackling various cleaning tasks in the kitchen. The set includes a dish brush with a soap dispenser feature, along with 4 replacement heads and a convenient storage holder, all in an elegant gray color. The key features of this dish cleaning brush set are its soap dispensing mechanism and the inclusion of multiple replacement heads. The soap dispenser is designed to make dishwashing more convenient by allowing users to dispense soap directly onto the brush, eliminating the need for a separate soap dish. Product 6 Product name Electric Spin Scrubber. The electric spin scrubber is a versatile and convenient cleaning tool designed to simplify household cleaning tasks. Specifically crafted for various surfaces such as tubs, tiles, and bathroom fixtures, this cordless cleaning brush offers a powerful and efficient solution for maintaining a clean and hygienic living space. With its cordless design, users are afforded greater flexibility and mobility during cleaning sessions. Equipped with 8 replaceable brush heads, the electric spin scrubber caters to different cleaning needs, allowing users to adapt to specific surfaces and grime levels. This feature enhances the scrubber's versatility and makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, including bathroom cleaning, shower scrubbing, bathtub maintenance, glass cleaning, and even car detailing. The scrubber boasts an impressive 90 minutes of work time on a single charge, ensuring that users can tackle multiple cleaning tasks without interruption. Additionally, the adjustable handle lengths allow users to reach higher-low areas with ease, while the variable speeds accommodate different cleaning requirements, from gentle to more intensive scrubbing. Overall, the electric spin scrubber stands out as a user-friendly and efficient cleaning solution, offering a blend of convenience, versatility, and performance for individuals seeking an effective.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.